Unlock the secret to pristine, professional tables in your Word documents with this quick guide to perfectly centered text. Tables are fantastic for organizing information, but unaligned text just looks messy. Let's fix that and make your data shine. First, we need to select the text we want to center. You can click and drag your mouse over the cells, or if you want to center everything in your table, simply click anywhere inside the table. And then click the small cross icon that appears at the top left corner of the table. This selects the entire table. Now that our text is selected, let's find the alignment options. Head over to the Table Layout tab that appears in your Word ribbon when your table is selected. Within the Table Layout tab, look for the alignment group. You'll see several icons representing different text alignments to center our text both horizontally and vertically. We're looking for the icon that shows text in the very middle, both side to side and top to bottom. And there you have it. Instantly, your text is perfectly centered, making your table much easier to read and giving it a polished, professional look. This simple adjustment significantly enhances readability and visual appeal, ensuring a balanced presentation. See the difference? It's that easy. Experiment with centering just rows or columns if you like, but for general readability, centering all your text is often the best approach. Happy formatting.